Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today's special is a fusion cake recipe. Eggless Gulab Jamun Cake with whipped cream frosting. This is a must-try recipe. Please believe me, it's amazing. Follow our step-by-step recipe for a foolproof result. Our first step is to make our cake. Sieve 1 1/3 cup of flour. You can substitute with wheat flour, but the texture might be different. Baking soda, baking powder, salt. Set it aside. In a mixing bowl, add sugar, oil, yogurt. Mix well until everything combines. Add in milk. Gently mix the flour. Don't overmix it. If you do, the cake might become hard. Prepare a 6-inch cake pan by spraying with cooking spray. Putting a piece of parchment paper is optional, but we are doing that. Pour batter into a pan. Tap cake pan 2 or 3 times to remove any air pockets. Bake in preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until the cake tester comes out clean. Our cake took about 48 minutes to bake completely. Remove from oven and cool completely on a wire rack for at least 8 to 10 hours. Although this is a very long process, trust me, it's worth it. Now it's my favorite part. Time to make the whipped cream frosting. To a stand mixer, add in 2 cups of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, Do you want to know how to make icing sugar? Just make sure to watch the video that pops up. 1/2 teaspoon of rose essence. The rose essence will give the frosting the same taste of gulab jamun. If you don't have rose essence, don't worry. Just add 2 tablespoons of gulab jamun syrup. That will do the magic. And also, your kitchen will smell wonderful. Whip on high speed until a stiff peak forms. The frosting is ready. Now let's set it aside. Now it's time to layer everything. Trim off the top of the cake to make it even. Slice cake into 2 even discs. We are going to do 4 layers, so we are using 2 6-inch cakes. First, we are going to place 1 layer on the turntable. Soak cake with gulab jamun syrup. Add the frosting and spread it evenly. Layer the second cake, soak cake with gulab jamun syrup, and repeat with the frosting. If you want, you can chop some gulab jamun and add it to your frosting. Add the 3rd layer and repeat. Add the 4th layer and frost the cake. Adjust cake alignment while stacking. Spread the frosting evenly to the top and the side of the cake. Refrigerate the cake for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the cake from the fridge and refrost the cake with the second coat. After applying the icing, the cake might not look perfect. Don't worry, everything will get covered as we go. It's kind of tricky to work with whipped cream frosting, but you will get it perfect in 2 or 3 tries. This frosting is not stable like other frostings. This is really delicate. It's kind of like a newborn baby. Again, refrigerate for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we are using a piping tip 40 to make roll swirls around the cake. When it comes to decorating a cake, you can do whatever you want to. We are doing roll swirls, but honestly, you can do whatever you want to. Go creative! We are using the same tip to make the border on the top of the cake. Fill in any gaps. We are creating a dollop of orange frosting to stack the Gulab Jamun. Garnish the cake with Gulab Jamuns. You can use any garnish of your choice. Quick and easy fusion eggless cake is ready! Let's cut the cake to show you how beautiful the layers are. Dig in and enjoy this delicious Eggless Gulab Jamun cake. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!